Some horses have pet goats, a partner to live with, maybe a pony. But one of our horses has a particular fondness for birds. They ride around on his back. They hang out with him every spring. He's never alone. And he usually has one particular bird. This is Blackie, and this is his bird. And he has to be really careful not to step on the little bird. He has to be really careful where the bird is at all times. And it's just ridiculously cute. It's a sweet little boy and his little bird hanging out together.